So, traumatic brain injury is a major problem today. We have a lot of vets returning from battle who suffer this. We also have people with sports injuries. I have a family that I see that all four of the children are involved in ice hockey teams and they get concussions. They come once or twice a year with their concussions. And every time they come, I say, "Do you like to swim? Did you ever watch Michael Phelps?" But no, they love their hockey. And in hockey, in addition to injuring their heads, they slam into each other. It's called checking. And every time they slam into each other, it exacerbates the symptoms in their brain. The neurologists are wonderful detectives, and they can figure out exactly where the problem is. Unfortunately, they don't have a lot of treatment to offer except brain rest. And it's hard when you tell kids they can't have any screen time and they can't be reading or doing sports and all the things they love to do until their brain heals. But in osteopathy, we can actually feel the vectors of force that created areas of congestion in the brain, and we can treat that and allow normal circulation and inflammation to be cleared away. TBI, traumatic brain injury, is associated with memory impairment, with difficulty focusing, with anger, with agitation, sleep disruption, seizures, ringing in the ears, dizziness, headaches, migraines. There are a lot of symptoms associated with brain injury, and we can help those. I saw one man who had headaches nonstop for 7 years after he had been assaulted. He also had problems hearing, and he was a musician who couldn't practice very much or perform because of his injuries. He had vision problems, and he saw all the top specialists. The ophthalmologist said, "There's nothing I can do for your eyes. You just had an injury." And he also complained of brain fog, which is a very common complaint with traumatic brain injury, that people don't have the clarity of mind they used to have. And this treatment can relieve the inflammation, the congestion, can restore normal circulation, and allow normal body chemistry to function again. So the patient that had headaches for 7 years, within weeks, the headaches were gone. His hearing began to improve and his vision improved, and he was able to get his life back. He was able to go back to work, to practice, and to enjoy life. And the brain fog lifted. I've seen people who have head injuries after dental or sinus surgery. One man said, "The worst part is I don't have the clarity of mind I used to have." And again, within a few weeks of treatment, that fog in his brain began to lift. 4 o'clock rolled around in the afternoon, and he wasn't exhausted and unable to think clearly, just with the gentle osteopathic treatment. So it's a wonderful approach for a serious problem that affects many people.